Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to tell you guys about my favorite person. But before we get into the content, I want to introduce myself. My name is Sultan Azharasi. You can call me Sultan. I am student in UPN Veteran Jawa Timur, majoring in Public Administration. I am from G656 English class, and my lecturer is Miss Wina. Hi Miss, thank you for watching these videos. Okay, so this video is part of my exam assignment. So I want to share to you about my favorite person. Okay, so but before we get into the first person, I want to disclaimer first, because this my favorite person is not an artist, not an celebrities, not an movie star. So they are an YouTubers. Why I use they? Because there are three of them. Three person I want to tell you today. Okay, so the first person is Fitra Eri.
Tingginya 177 cm, saya tingginya 177 cm, 177 cm, saya tingginya 177 cm, saya tingginya 177 cm, dan saya tingginya 177 cm, 177 cm tinggi badan saya tingginya 177 cm, saya tingginya.
Okay, so Fitra Eri is a legend in Indonesian automotive scene. His journey is he's actually a journalist at the first. He is journalist in some magazine magazine company in Indonesia. So he write especially about cars and automotives. But his background is he is graduated from Universitas Indonesia, majoring in machine engineering, and he is have passion about cars. He loves cars so much, and beside become an journalist, he become a racer too. He already went to many competition in Indonesia and internationally, and he wins a lot of competition out there. He become champion, and he have lots of how do I say, prestasi. Yeah, so he earned lots of trophy. Okay, so now he become big, the most famous, actually I think the most famous YouTuber, the most famous automotive YouTuber in Indonesia. You can check his YouTube channel. The channel is Fitra Eri. If I don't wrong, he has almost 3 million subscribers right now. Okay, Fitra Eri is my inspiration in cars, in automotive world, because he have lots of cars, and he is not an, how do I say, he is not a person who wants to show off about his he always down to earth and always give us an information about cars. That's what I like about Fitra Eri. And Fitra Eri is whenever he reviews some cars, he not only talk about the design, not only talk about the features, about the interiors, the exteriors. No, he talks almost every detail in the car. because he passionate, he loves it, so he really dive into it. And he talks about the engine because his background is machine engineering, so he knows about the engine. And it makes me feel, whenever I watch these videos, I've got new knowledge about cars. And yep, Fitra Airi become my first favorite Indonesian YouTuber, in my opinion. Okay. And me and Fitra Airi have some same interest in European cars. You can see in my head is Mercedes-Benz. I love Mercedes-Benz so much. Mercedes-Benz and BMW, Porsche, Audi. I love cars. I love European cars. Okay, let's get into the next person. Okay, this person is really interesting. He is an very mysterious man. Okay, nobody knows his real names. He is Om Movie. Yes, kami suka turbo. That is his tagline. Whenever you open or watch these videos, he always says,
"Kami suka turbo. Kami 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 suka turbo. Kami."
Okay, so Om Movie is the second biggest YouTuber in Indonesia. He always wearing sunglasses, wearing a hat or a helmet, and wearing school mask. He always cover his face. He doesn't want to show the people about his face. Now it becomes his identity. You cannot say Om Movie without his mask or without his Kami suka turbo tagline. It is already attached to him so much. Okay. Om Movie brings a lot of different in Indonesian automotive car review. So he bring the car reviewing content become more hilarious.
Oke, nanti kita sekali kita cekin. Intinya kita maksimalin lah semua yang berhubungan dengan interiornya, nanti kita cekin juga.
Jadi bisa juga loh, hebat loh. Penggalian yang itu sedikit. Kok bisa sih? Ini payung siapa sih? Lihat.
He loves to tell some jokes in it.
Tekan tombol jempol ke atas dan subscribe channel Om Movie, Moto Movie dan Met Movie apabila belum. Itu motor berisik 2 tak, gila.
And not like Fitra Airi. Fitra Airi is more formal when he talk about car. He use some technical sentence, you know, and somebody doesn't know what it is mean, but Om Movie tell us in a very simple way, so we can easy to understand. Okay, so that is about Om Movie, and the last one is Ridwan Hanif. Ridwan Hanif is the most young automotive YouTuber in Indonesia, I think. Ridwan Hanif is not just an automotive reviewer. He is an entrepreneur too. He brand ambassador, And you know, same as Fitra Eri, Ridwan Hanif is down to earth person. And Fitra Eri, Ridwan Hanif is he always give us his opinion truthfully, and when he reviews a car, he always tell us about it very honestly. Okay, so if there is something bad about the cars, he tell us, and if there's any good side of the car, he tell us.
Mumpung lagi ada Porsche, kenapa nggak kita sekalian bikin juga cara mengendarai Porsche? Soalnya yang namanya hidup kita nggak ada yang tahu kan. Mungkin hari ini kita masih naik Fortuner, Pajero Sport atau Innova, tapi tahun depan siapa tahu bos kita beli Porsche, kita kan nggak ada yang tahu.
That is why I like Ridwan Hanif. And Ridwan Hanif, same like Omobi, he always giving information in very simple way, so we can easily understand about it. And and beside tell us about automotive, he give us education about how do we make a business, how do we make money, how do we manage our money circulation, especially whenever you want to buy some cars. So that's Ridwan Hanif. He give us not only information, not only entertaining, but he give us an education. Actually, 3 of them give us education about cars, especially an automotive world especially. And that's why I love these 3 person. Whenever these 3 person become one groups, they always talk about cars, and it is fun to watch them talk about the cars. And one day I want to be like one of them, like Fitra Eri. I want to be down to earth as Fitra Eri. I want to be fun like Omobi, and I want to be very smart like Ridwan Hanif. I want to be like them, and they always teach me, especially about whenever you want to have something like a cars, you must do some effort. There is no instant way to have a cars. Don't do something bad to afford some cars. Okay, so I think that's enough to share you about my 3 favorite person, and thank you guys for listening, and have a nice day.
Saya doakan Anda, terutama Anda yang pecinta otomotif, agar bisa mendapat mobil impian Anda bisa mengoleksi mobil impian Anda, tapi ingat, selalu cari harta dari jalan yang halal, dan jangan lupakan juga sedekah. Jadi begitulah video kali ini, senang sekali.